Hi friends, today let's understand what is Unity Catalog in Databricks. One catalog, one security model and one complete data governance environment, the Unity Catalog. Let's assume a library, a college or a university library. You have the library with books, the librarian and the leaders. Who is going to control everything? The librarian. Here also the Unity Catalog is our PM or the president, controlling everything virtually. Assume the big data access challenge. You have multiple teams, thousands of tables, lakhs of views and data activities. But who can access what? Who can control what sales team should be able to access? What finance team or HR team should be able to access and work with? And who should be controlling the marketing team activities? Once again, our hero, the Unity Catalog. Let me tell you, without Unity Catalog, no Databricks. In real world, the main problem statement here, multiple permissions and the controller, data confusion chances, security gaps when working with multiple tenants and multiple network environments, and difficult management activities when working with CI/CD deployments and various environments. So answer, Unity Catalog is a one and only one solution. No interview is complete without the Unity Catalog. Now the question what we need to answer in our interviews, if someone asks us what is Unity Catalog, on my screen your answer for your next interview. Unity Catalog is Databricks unified data governance solution, a single control plane. This refers to our two-tier architecture of Databricks, control plane and compute data plane. From the two-tier architecture, the control plane should be used in our answer as an important keyword that manages data assets. Here data assets mean the schemas, the tables, the materialized views, the files, volumes, etc., permissions, security policies, data lineage. Lineage means the dependency, which semantic model or what model depends on which views, which tables, which files, etc. And the metadata across your entire Databricks organization, regardless of the workspace boundaries. It may be a dev or UAT or prod, one single common controller, the Unity Catalog. Let's understand more about it. The Unity Catalog object hierarchy, the actual level by level access follows three-level architecture by default, can be extended to 4 levels. Level 1 you have Metastore. Level 2 comes catalog. Level 3 schema, nothing but the Spark database. And inside Spark database, inside each Spark database, you have tables, views, materialized views, volumes to store files, functions, Spark functions, and also data models for Databricks analytic teams. Now, where to find this hierarchy? Let me take you practically to my Databricks environment. In my Databricks environment on my screen, let me take you to something called left side catalog, right? In left side catalog, this one, this particular screen you see on my screen, this particular item on my screen. Right side you see something called create a catalog. Now it says catalog is a first layer Unity catalog in 3-level namespace. Remember, for namespace, 3-level catalog dot schema dot object name. Theoretically, we say 4-layer architecture, Metastore dot catalog, schema and object. So theoretically, you may say 4-level starts from Metastore. Practically, from namespace perspective, usually it is 3-level object reference notation. And inside here, inside this particular screen, you simply provide the catalog name and click create. Now remember, who is going to help us for creation of new catalogs? Who is going to control all the new catalogs and the ingredients inside it? So Unity Catalog delivers centralized security, auditing, lineage. Lineage means once again the dependency chart, the access control to column and row level and data discovery activities. So with Unity Catalog, we can experience a centralized, disciplined data storage and management activities when working with big data. Without Unity Catalog, we cannot imagine the ease of Databricks data space management activities. Databricks relies on Unity Catalog component. Now comes the top interview questions pertaining to Unity Catalog. First question, what is Unity Catalog? Answer should be straightforward. Unity Catalog is Databricks centralized data governance solution to manage data, metadata, permissions, and security across all workspaces. So if the interviewer allow us to continue, we can still continue our answer in a nice way. We can continue with data governance advantages, security policies and advantages, and metadata management activities. Next, second question. And one more thing before we proceed for the next question, I just want to give a small interview tip on a friendly note. Remember, Unity Catalog means governance plus security plus metadata management, GSM. Next, then comes second interview question. What is this Metastore that I was mentioning earlier in one of our slides today? I said top level of Metastore. Just above Unity Catalog, you got Metastore. What it is? Metastore is a top level container that stores metadata and manages all catalogs in one single Unity Catalog environment. And remember, it is the parent portal or the parent component. The Metastore will be actually run by DB or Databricks runtime component internally. So DBR controls Metastore, Metastore controls Unity Catalog, Unity Catalog controls all schemas and workspaces. Now the hierarchy here. I repeat once again. Catalog contains schemas. Schemas contain tables, views, functions, and models. Next, then we have Metastore versus Unity Catalog, another very common question. Remember, Hive Metastore, also called Metastore, is at workspace level. Unity Catalog is at the account level. Hive Metastore has basic level permissions. Unity Catalog has schema level, volume level, file level, table level, column level, row level, and now even data level permissions. We say fine-grained RBAC, role-based access control. Hive Metastore has basic level permissions. These are fine-grained RBAC. Governance, no governance environment for Hive Metastore. Unity Catalog has centralized governance. Data lineage not applicable for Hive Metastore, but for Unity Catalog, column level lineage is also available. Next, a real world example. Let's take an enterprise banking environment. Data engineers will be having full right access. Data analysts will have access to only few particular data sets, usually gold layer. The HR team might be having explicitly access to few particular items and blocked from financial tables. So who is supposed to access what? Is the actual entity or the agenda behind Unity Catalog. I know you are interested to learn more about Databricks. Come on, join with me. Let's enjoy the beauty of Databricks. I am here to teach you Databricks step by step. If in case you wanted to be an experienced data engineer, the next level data engineer, I can provide the proper roadmap with all my 2 decades of experience since my first job at Microsoft. If in case you are planning for DP 750 Databricks certification exam or Databricks Data Engineer Associate exam, you are at the right place. If you wanted to learn Databricks with realistic projects, streamlined learning, proper resume, and also proper and latest up-to-date interview preparation, you are at the right place. Do reach me today to learn more about Databricks. Thank you so much. Have a nice time. Take care. Bye-bye.